Welcome to FatherRosadoTV.com, where we bring the faith to you. Hi, I'm Father Rosado. This episode of Disciples Tech, where I'll teach you how to make a green screen for $1. So this image of Jesus that you see behind me is not really here. Green screen, what it does is it allows you to use different programs to put virtual backgrounds up. Now, green screens could be very expensive, but this one I created for. So how did I do this? Simple. I went to the dollar store and I bought one of those covers for the tables that are in a green color, and I put it over a wall, a 3-panel wall that I already had. And that's it. It made my green screen. It only costs $1. As you can see, it's not perfect, but it works. You see behind me here, and actually this is just a 3-panel wall that I bought a long time ago, a room divider, I think it's also called. That green plastic dollar store table cover, but what you see is a beautiful image of Jesus. So just costs $1. Do is buy it and tape it across the wall. We tried that yesterday. And I don't know which one's really better. I kind of wanted this one to look like if it was a behind me. So this is why I put it this way. And that's, my friends, is how you get a green screen for just $1. Continue watching rosadotv.com of Disciples Tech, and I'll show you how to broadcast him to the world.